Like, that's it, I'm cutting my hair.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all.
Do that, like, you can do that anytime. Okay. Which you can really keep in your hair for a while if you use the product. Not wash it every day. Okay. And then there's one that lasts you maybe 3 or 4 months. But I have clients that do the express and they don't wash their hair every day, and they use the keratin shampoo conditioner and they go 2 or 3 months. You okay? Mm-hmm. Fresh start. Yeah, I'm definitely excited. Nice. Been used heat protectant? I have been, yeah.
Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour.
So I am on my way home. I feel I think that our hair can tell us a lot about where we are at on this journey and about where we are headed. And I know hair isn't everything, but it's something. I believe that a dramatic change in someone's appearance can signify some pretty dramatic personal growth. I also think that inner work and outer work go hand in hand. When the hair fell to the floor, I did like a little meditation and I was just like, thanked it and let it go. Every time I've ever cut my hair short, I never really liked it. I know I posted a lot of photos. A lot of those photos of myself though were edited. I thought I liked myself and I didn't. Thought that I wasn't beautiful because my hair was short. And just my self-talk, I was so nasty to myself. So mean to myself. Just the things I would say. And so like, I thought about it the other day with on top of my hair being so dead, and I'm like, dude, even my hairdresser was like, you couldn't have grown this out. Like, your hair needs to be cut, you know? Nothing was saving it. And then I was just like, you know what? You could shave your head bald right now and you would still be beautiful. And I'm not saying this in a vain way. I have insecurities, and so I'm trying to overcome them, basically. And this was kind of like a new beginning. For so long, I thought that like my hair was what either made me sexy or not made me sexy, and this doesn't define my worth or my sexiness. It doesn't define me, you know? And so I just look at this cut in a whole different way. I look at myself in a whole different way, and it's just like, so not only was I cutting away dead ends, damaged hair, I was cutting away old parts of me that are just not welcome here anymore. I was cutting away just negative energy. I almost feel like a rebirth has happened. It's pretty cool. I want to thank Diana, my hairstylist over at Sleek here in Tucson, Arizona, for your support and for your skills. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching this journey. Thank you to my earthlings for just being you.